So as we will be doing it for the LLP, as we have done yesterday for the partnership, so here is the presentation. Okay, so limited liability partnership was passed in 2008. Okay, so we have already studied about the provisions, so we will be just going through with this some of the cases. So see, now this is the first one. Whether an entity which has objectives like charitable or other purpose for the profit objective would be able to set up under the LLP Act or not? Anyone? Yes. Harshit Kumawat. And the rule is that if you will not
Yes, sir.
respond to me, I will just throw you out of the class. I will just remove you from the class. Okay, and you will be marked as. Yes, Harshit. Can you say this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So whether an entity which has objectives like a charitable or other not for profit objective would be able to set up under the LLP Act or not? Yes, yes, come on.
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know is not an answer. So what you have studied then? Come on. Anyone else? Anyone else? So it is no. Why? Because LLP is incorporated for only for the profit purposes. You cannot set up LLP for a non-profit organization or those organizations which are profit. Okay, so LLP can be established only for the purpose of profit. Fine. Next question is for Manan Goyal. Manan Goyal, are you there? Manan Goyal. Manan Goyal. You are out of the class now. Yeah. So next question is for Khushbu Rathore. Are you there, Khushbu? Khushbu just came and actually she vanished. Anyways. Tirthak Bhai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tirthak. This question is for you. Amar LLP and Ujala LLP want to start another LLP, namely Amar Ujala LLP. Is it possible to start it?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, they have to start, sir. mm, सर पार्टनर दो ही रहेंगे पर पार्टनरशिप डीड और वो सब फिर से बनाना पड़ेगा सर ये
वो सब बना लेंगे ना.
हाँ
That's all
पर
we will do.
हाँ सर तो कर सकते हैं वो
They can do.
हाँ सर
But both are LLPs. Both are already LLPs. Can LLP form another LLP? Both. Both are LLPs.
सर दैट आई डोंट नो सर
You should know na. Both are already LLPs. They are forming another LLP. What type of identity LLP is having? Your entire paper will be applied. I will be asking these questions to you over there. Okay. And I'm not going to share this PPT with you. If you are not attentive, you will fail. And don't give up. Whatever you have, you just say. Whatever you will say, nothing will be wrong.
ओके सर
Yeah. Tirthak, you have answered a lot of questions very correctly, and you have taken part in the class very actively. Why you are giving up over here?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Really, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. Yes, Sandeep Singh Bhati.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What about you? Answer this question. Amar LLP and Ujala LLP want to start another LLP, namely Amar Ujala LLP. Is it possible to have this?
Sir. Sir, maybe no.
Why? You have to substantiate your answer with a reason.
Sir.
Yes, come on.
Sir, I don't know that. Sir, but I think maybe no.
Why so?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Amar LLP and Ujala LLP is a firm name or partner name, sir?
Amar LLP is one LLP already registered. Ujala
Yes.
LLP is also another LLP which is also registered. Okay. Now they want to come up with one more LLP. Both of the LLPs want to come with one more LLP which is called Amar Ujala LLP. Okay. So can they start such type of LLP or not?
Sir, maybe they form another LLP.
Maybe.
Sir, because sir, it is sir,
Yeah.
means दो सर वो दो LLP रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं ना सर?
हाँ, LLPs are already registered, Sandeep. And,
Yes, sir.
What is the status of LLP? What is the status
sir.
of LLP? Is it a legal person? Means artificial legal person होता है नहीं होता है? Limited liability partnership.
सर ये आर्टिफिशियल होता है सर.
होता है ना? तो फिर
Yes,
बताओ ना.
सर बट सर इनमें सर लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी होती है.
लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी तो है ही है, जैसे कंपनी की लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी होती है ऐसे इसकी भी लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी होती है. Yes, Parth, you want to say something? You want to come in between? Come on.
Yes, sir. I think they can't form the LLP, sir.
Can't form. Okay. Ravi
Yeah.
Raman, you're saying something, beta.
Sir, if Amar and Ujala both agree, then it's possible to make another.
Amar Ujala both are not a natural persons like you and me.
Yes,
They are
sir.
and how it will be possible?
So I think no, because LLP's identity is limited liability partner. So if they come together and form LLP, then their liability will increase, and that does not come in LLP.
No, it is not about the increase of LLP, increase of a limited liability. It is not an increase of liability at all. It is about the existence of them. It is about the nature of the characteristics of their existence as a artificial or a natural person. It's about their identity. Yeah, anyone else? Anything else? Any substantial thing you can give?
Sir, I think, sir, they can form.
Okay, they can form. So why do you think so?
So because there are two different LLPs and they are combining together and forming one LLP. So, sir, under LLP Act they can form because
No,
two
why?
partners are required.
But two partnership firms cannot form another partnership firms as such.
Hmm.
So LLP is also a partnership, no? मतंग तुम उठे नहीं हो अभी तक.
उठ गया हूँ सर.
मम्मी बोल रही है ऐसे पढ़ रहा है. थोड़ा उठ के सीधा बैठो, रजाई वजाई छोड़ो. आजकल वैसे भी सर्दी थोड़ी सी स्टार्ट हो गई है, तो सुबह सोने में मजा आता है. आई अंडरस्टैंड.
Sir, they can form, right? Because they are separate legal entity, right?
Yes, that's what I wanted because they are having a seven. Now see this. LLP should have at
Exactly,
least
sir.
two partners, right? Matan, now see, any individual or a body corporate can be a partner of LLP. So LLP itself is a body corporate. Okay. Now LLP Act does not provide any qualification to the partners. In the view of above provision, it can be said to have two LLPs from another LLP. Now what happens when LLP will be formed? So the partners of the LLP will be the two LLPs themselves will be the partners. So it can be said that the Amar LLP and Ujala LLP are the two partners. But who will designate? Because a designated partner can only be a natural person. So they will appoint their representatives as a designated partner of this Amar Ujala LLP. So Amar LLP will give one partner, Ujala LLP will give one partner as a designated partner of Amar Ujala LLP, and they can run their business. So both the partners in both the existing LLPs will represent the existing LLPs as a partners, and both can run the business. Is that okay? Fine. Now here, if you see
Yes,
this
sir.
question which I asked, whether an entity which has objectives of charitable or other purpose, here also you can say that there is, because LLP is a limited liability partnership, and why a charitable and other non-profit objectives cannot be fulfilled, because the liability will be limited only. And in case of charitable and other profit other not-for-profit objectives, companies or other organizations or societies, they have a unlimited liability. Okay, so that limited liability thing will not be fulfilled over here, because charitable societies and other purpose, some people should be responsible in order to take the responsibility. If there will be loss, then who will bear it? Okay, so accordingly it is there. Fine. Right. So I just need a participation. Like, maybe you may be wrong, no problem. It's okay. Please participate. That is most important. Okay. So who will take initiative to have the next question? Prakash Chaudhary, are you there? Prakash Chaudhary. Yes, Prakash Chaudhary. Are you there, Prakash? So I am throwing you out of the class now. Pushpendra Pal. Pushpendra Pal. Pushpendra Pal Singh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
प्रकाश चौधरी, नींद खुल गई?
Yes, sir.
तो क्लास के बाहर निकला जब तुम्हारे को पता चला कि हाँ मुझे कुछ करना है?
No, sir. मैं mic
No,
on
sir.
नहीं कर.
हैं?
I wasn't able to switch on the mic.
So why you did not switch on the mic?
There is a lot of noise there.
Noise. Why you are sitting at a place where there is noise? Anyways, it's your choice. This question is for you, Prakash. Just speak this question loudly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Speak this question loudly.
5 person who are willing the incorporation Excel LLP has its LLP agreement which suggests that each partner will be design partner. Is it a per LLP Act?
So what do you say about this? Who are designated partners? Anyone of you Who are designated partners?
So designated partners are like board of directors, which is like in company, normal company. Designated partners are responsible like for
They are as
major
good
act.
as absolutely. They are as good as that of the board of or directors in a company. Okay, so what will you do with this? Yes, what do you say about this? So 5 persons who are willing to incorporate Excel LLP have prepared its LLP agreement which suggests that each partner will be a designated partner. Can it be possible?
So it's not possible, sir.
Why so?
So because only two can be designated partners, and also from one of them should be like in resident of India also, if we are talking about India.
Okay, anyone else?
So everyone is not a designated partner. Few of them.
Sorry?
Everyone can't serve designated partners, sir.
Just hold on. You may discuss amongst yourselves. Yes, sure, you are there, na?
Yes, sir.
What do you say about this?
So I don't think everyone can be a designated partner. Only two, maximum two is allowed, I think, and out of which one, at least one should be Indian resident. I am not sure.
So 5 people can't be designated partners.
No, sir. Sir, it's like 5 directors in a company.
Matang, what do you say about this?
Sir, only two can be designated partners.
Matang,
So only two can be designated partners.
Nandini Khandelwal, what do you say?
Yes, sir.
You say yes, sir, only. What is your view about this?
Sir, I don't know.
Laksharaj Singh. Laksharaj. Laksharaj Singh. Karthik Rajput.
Yes, sir.
What is your view about this question? Karthik,
Yes, sir.
read this question loudly.
सर स्क्रीन पे शो नहीं हो रहा मेरे क्वेश्चन.
Karthik, read this loudly. You're not audible.
सर मेरी स्क्रीन पे शो नहीं हो रहा क्वेश्चन.
अब हो रहा है?
नो सर.
Rakesh, can you see the question on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Karthik, you better go out of the class and rejoin again, okay? Harshit, only Harshit. Not there. Parth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Parth, see this question and tell me what are your views?
So I think they can be designated partners, sir. They all can be.
What is the provisions of the law regarding this?
So that I don't know.
Okay, let me just show you. See, LLP shall have at least 2 designated partners. Okay, at least,
Okay.
not at most. Okay, so who are the individuals, and at least one of them should be resident in India. If individual can become a designated partner in LLP if he has given his prior consent to act to such LLP in such a form and such a manner as is prescribed, and he has a director identification number. Okay, thus the act provides about minimum number of designated partners, but not the maximum. Okay, all partners can be designated partners, like all partners can be active partners. Designated partners are whom? They are just like the managing directors or directors of the company. But this is a partnership, so all and everyone can be a designated partner. They can work on the behalf of LLP. Is it okay? So there is no maximum
Yes,
number
sir.
of partners to be designated partners, unlike company. Okay, fine.
Yes,
So this happens when you copy the things from others, na? This happens. I have told you to write a difference between LLP, company, and partnership, but you have copied it from everyone, and You have not at all seen the things what you are writing. This happens then only. Just there is a need to, just revise those assignments which I have given. And when these will be given in your exams in the form of the problems, you will not be able to solve it. I'm telling you. In your final exams, I will give the entire paper case based. So be prepared to solve it. Okay. And with all provisions of the law which I have taught you. Chaliye. Who will take this next question? Let me see who will take the initiative. Come on. Harshit, are you there? Harshit. Harshit. I'm removing you from the class. Harshit Kumawat.
Yes,
Harshit
sir.
Kumawat. Yes, Harshit Kumawat.
Yes, sir.
Take this question. Speak loudly.
Mr. A and Mr. B, Mr. C and
Loudly,
Mr. D are
loudly.
four partners of Excel LLP. Mr. A and Mr. C are appointed as designated partner as per the LLP agreement. In motor accident, Mr. A and Mr. C die, and other remaining partners are aware of this fact. LLP agreement does not provide any provisions. Agreement does not provide any provisions regarding filling vacancy of designated partners. Remaining partners have not appointed any one of themselves as designated partner. What will be consequences in the given situation? Who can be regarded as designated partner?
So what do you say about this? Yes, Harshit. Come on. Yes, Hemant, you want to say something? Harshit Kumawat. Hemant. Hemant. Yeah, Shaurya, you want to say something about this?
So, after the death of the designated partners, they can appoint another designated partner to carry on the works of LLP.
Who can appoint?
Tribunal.
Sorry?
Tribunal.
Tribunal. From where tribunal came here?
So I don't remember, the assignment I read.
Let me show you this. So in case if no partner is a designated as such, or if at any time there is only one designated partner, each partner shall be deemed to be a designated partner of the LLP. Okay. So if they have died even, so all the partners will become a designated partner by default. So any vacancy arising in the office of designated partner shall be billed within 30 days of the change shall be, and the same thing has to be intimated to the registrar of LLPs. Fine. So partner may cease to be a designated partner in accordance with the LLP agreement that is under section 9. So accordingly, remaining partners are liable to intimate the change in LLP to the registrar and considered as a designated partner if the casual vacancy is not filling in. So all the partners will become the designated partners. Okay, like you can say all the partners are liable, right? So they all will become the designated partner. I'm not saying that they will be unlimitedly liable. It's not like that, but they all will be considered as a designated partners if there is no designated partner. Okay, got it? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Fine. This last one. Oasis Water Products LLP is already registered LLP. Can businessman with intent to carry on the distilled water business registered LLP with the name Oasis Water India LLP? So can he do that? Can a businessman with intent to carry on distilled water business registered LLP with the name of Oasis Water LLP? So can he do this? There is already an existing LLP. Any one of you? Any one of you, can it be done? Yes? Can it be done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why so?
So because in first name, sir, Oasis Water Product Limited, sir, LLP, sir.
But don't you think it is similar, Rakesh?
Sir, Ravi, sir.
Rakesh or Ravi Raman?
Ravi. Sir.
Ravi. Okay, Ravi. So don't you think it is similar, Ravi?
So, but there is a difference of one word, sir. Then
No,
it's
one word
possible.
difference will not make sense, Ravi. Now see this. No, Oasis Water Product LLP and Oasis Water India LLP are identical and similar in the name. So LLP can't be registered with the name where the name of the LLP is identical with the already registered name, and this is prohibited by law. Now, still, if you want to register, what you can do is the LLP which is already there, you can either merge your business with it or you either take a permission from it. That may be possible that you can do, but law doesn't provide about it. Okay, so I even I don't know that whether it can be done by taking permission and why that person will give a permission. That is again the case. So if he is getting something substantial for the goodwill he has maintained, that can be done. But who will take so much of pains that okay, I need the Oasis name only, right? So that can be like Bisleri was taken over by Reliance Group, and if you remember, the name Bisleri was same, but the bottle was made green. Have you noticed that? But that was a company takeover.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Bisleri India business was taken over and the bottles were made green. So that can be done, but that is not a LLP at least. That is a strategic decision which has been taken. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, so tomorrow again we will be discussing more about LLPs. So please go through the LLP chapter. It is a very small chapter which I have taught you. Okay, so please go through that. I hope you have all the PPTs also with you for the entire course, and every material is with you. And even if sometimes some material is skipping, you can always refer to the Google, and you have been doing that before. Okay, but I have already provided each and everything to you. Fine, guys. So let us just take the attendance. Harshit is gone, vanished, came again, but please put his attendance as he was in the class. Okay, so I'm just taking your attendance now. Okay, so Harshit Kumawat, Hemant Kumar Khatik, Mansi Goyal, Sharma, Nandini Khandelwal, Parth Narendra Bhai, Prakash Chaudhary,
Present, sir, Parth.
Rakesh Raika, Ravi Raman, Rohan Modi, Sandeep,
Present, sir.
Rajesh Dixit, and Tirthak Bhai.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Thank you, guys, and have a nice day, have a nice time, and enjoy the day. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.